Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we will be crocheting some beautiful leaves that will add a lovely touch to your projects. By the end of this video you will have a lovely pair of leaves ready to adorn your favorite crafts. For example, in my next video I'm excited to show you how to use these two leaves to create a charming coaster that looks just like an orange fruit. So be sure to stick around and grab those leaves for your upcoming coaster project. Let's get started with today's tutorial. To crochet these leaves, I'm using a 2.5 crochet hook, scissors, and some green yarn. Before we start, I would like to show you my new YouTube channel in just 30 seconds. This is my channel where I post videos on crochet projects, crafting, and more. Remember, if you like what you see and want to stay updated on my new videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications. Thank you for your support. Let's get started. First of all, we are going to have a slip knot. So do what I do and make a slip knot. Then we are going to start making some chain stitches. Chain 19, as you see, I am working some chain stitches and I'm gonna make sure that I have 19 chain stitches. Now, as you see, we are going to skip the first chain stitch and we're gonna work in the second one. In the second chain stitch, make a slip stitch. After the slip stitch, in the third chain stitch, work a single crochet. After that, work a half double crochet in the fourth chain stitch. Now, in the next stitch, I'm going to work a double crochet. And in the next stitch, we are going to have one treble crochet. These are pretty easy stitches. For the treble crochet, you are going to yarn over twice and pull the yarn through 2 loops around your crochet hook each time. After the treble crochet, we are going to have one double crochet, and after that, in the next stitch, we are going to have one half double crochet. After the half double crochet, in the next stitch, work a single crochet and then work a slip stitch. As you see, half of the first leaf is completed. Now we are going to start crocheting the second leaf. So work a slip stitch in the next stitch and then work a single crochet in the next stitch. After the single crochet, work half double crochet and then after that work a double crochet. Then we are going to have one treble crochet. As you see, I'm going to yarn over twice, and after going to this stitch, I'm going to pull the yarn through 2 loops around the crochet hook each time. After the treble crochet, in the next stitch, a double crochet, and after that we are going to have one half double crochet and then a single crochet. Next, in the last chain stitch, we are going to have a slip stitch. Now half of the second leaf is completed too. We are going to start crocheting the other half of the second leaf. For this part, first of all, find the opposite side of the first stitch and work a slip stitch, and then In the second stitch, work a single crochet. After the single crochet, work a half double crochet, and then after that work a double crochet. The double crochet is going to be on the root of the previous double crochet, and after the double crochet we are going to have a treble crochet. This treble crochet is in the root of the previous treble crochet too. After the treble crochet, work a double crochet, and then after that work a half double crochet. After the half double crochet, work a single crochet, and then at the end work a slip stitch. The second half of the second leaf is now completed. We are going to work the second half of the first leaf. First of all, work a slip stitch, and then after that work a single crochet in the next stitch. After the single crochet, work a half double crochet, and then work a double crochet. After that, work a treble crochet, and make sure the treble crochet is in the root of the treble crochet in the other half. After the treble crochet, work a double crochet, and then after the double crochet, work a half double crochet. After this half double crochet, we are going to work a single crochet, and then at the end work a slip stitch. This half is completed now. As you see, both leaves are completed. We are going to cut the yarn, and we're going to start the next part. For the next part, first of all, find the stitches in the middle of your work. Randomly go through the inner loop of these two stitches and then draw the yarn. Now start working some chain stitches. I want to have 6 chain stitch, and then after that 5 single crochets. If you want more chain stitches and more single crochets, you can work more chain stitches. After 6 chain stitches, skip the first one and work in the second one. Work a single crochet. Start working 1 single crochet in the next stitch and continue working single crochets in the other stitches. In total, you will have 5 single crochets. After the last single crochet, in the middle of your work, make a slip stitch. Now, after the slip stitch, these 2 crocheted leaves are completed. You can cut the yarn. At the end, we have to tie a few knots, these 2 yarn ends. Make sure they are secure enough. And after that, cut these 2 yarn ends. Next, we have to hide these 2 little yarn ends. For this step, we are going to pass the yarn end through the stitches. After passing the yarn end through the stitches several times, we can cut the yarn and and the yarn end will be perfectly hidden. Do the exact same thing for the other yarn end. Pass it through the stitches. At the end of this step, you can cut the yarn, and these 2 crochet leaves are going to be totally completed. After cutting these little yarn end, your crochet leaves are ready to use. Thank you so much for joining me today as we crocheted these lovely leaves. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on my next video where we will turn these leaves into a fun orange coaster.